It doesn't take much anymore in this era to be a filmmaker. You can be as creative, as flexible, and I feel like this class has brought me that feeling.
It has given me the confidence and the ability to believe in the works that I put out. I'm able to take more videos to put out more content.
From the first week, the instructor was talking about the Instagram filters. It's been a lifesaver because I don't have to go into Lightroom and it's already nice and it's a very down and dirty, easy and quick way to do something.
One of my aha moments was when Mike taught us about the things that makes a video look like it's been shot by an amateur, like the movement, the poor lighting, and some of the poor sound in the background, because I'm the queen of like wanting to run around when I'm recording.
Take a lot of footage. When Brian was doing the edits, I was like, man, that's wonderful. I didn't even know the iPhone could do that much.
We would like to thank the Detroit Journalism Engagement Fund and the Partners Community Foundation for Southeastern Michigan, the Knight Foundation, the Ford Foundation, Grandmont Rosedale Development Corporation, and the School of Journalism, Michigan State University. Thanks, everyone.